Today, we're reviewing the KZ Saga in-ear gaming headset, a versatile and high-performance IEM designed for competitive gamers, mobile players, and even audiophiles. This headset is now officially available for $18.99. And yes, that includes a free 2-in-1 adapter cable for USB-C and 3.5mm support. Link to purchase is in the description below. Hey guys, this is MHD Tech, and before starting the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and unboxings. Unboxing. Here's what comes inside the package. KZ Saga metal earphones with 10mm dynamic drivers. Secure fit wraparound ear hooks. Free dual mode 2-in-1 adapter cable, USB-C plus 3.5mm. Inline microphone with volume control. Multiple silicone ear tips. The all-metal construction immediately sets it apart from most budget headsets. It feels solid, durable, and thoughtfully built. Gaming performance demo. Let's put this to the test in CS2, Valorant, and PUBG. Footstep detection in CS2. You'll clearly hear approaching enemies. Accurate sound positioning helps you stay a step ahead. Gunfire and directional audio in Valorant positional cues are clear. Gunfire, footsteps, and skill audio feel separated, helping you track threats with precision. Latency and mic quality in PUBG Mobile. With the USB-C adapter, there's no delay, even during intense firefights. The mic works well for team chat or even casual mobile streaming. Dual modes. What really sets the KZ Saga apart is its dual sound mode switch. HiFi mode, designed for music lovers. You get balanced tuning, warm vocals, and crisp highs. Gaming mode prioritizes spatial cues, enhanced mid-range, and low-latency responsiveness for immersive in-game audio. Switch modes depending on what you're doing. No need to change devices. Technical specifications. Material, full metal housing. Driver, 10mm dynamic. Impedance, 16 ohm. Connectivity, USB-C and 3.5mm via included adapter. Mic and volume, inline controls. It's perfect for competitive FPS players games like Valorant, CS2, and Apex Legends benefit from the detailed sound positioning. Mobile gamers and streamers. The plug-and-play compatibility and lightweight design make it perfect for on-the-go sessions. Hi-Fi audio enthusiasts. In Hi-Fi mode, the tuning rivals more expensive IEMs, perfect for mixed use between music and gaming. Value seekers and tech review followers. Under $20 with a full metal build, dual mode, and included adapter. Hard to beat. Why it stands out. 2 dedicated sound modes, gaming and hi-fi. Exceptional audio positioning for FPS. High-quality metal housing. Free dual adapter included. Great value with strong brand backing. And importantly, KZ is a globally respected hi-fi audio brand with over 13 years of experience. With full control over their own manufacturing, they deliver top-tier quality at highly competitive pricing. Conclusion: the KZ Saga punches well above its weight. It's rare to find a headset this adaptable and this good under $20. Whether you're grinding ranks or relaxing to music, it just works. Click the link below to check it out. At $18.99 with a free 2-in-1 3.5mm adapter cable included, it's one of the best deals we've tested in 2025 so far. Sometimes, the right sound can win you the fight. So, this is it for the video. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want more unboxing and review videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay tuned. This is MHD Tech. See you in the next video. Until then, peace out.